Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video today, I'm going to introduce you a accessory which is LED lighting with a remote control. I'm going to introduce you how to set it up. To assemble the light is very easy. Simply we just have the stripe rounded frame here and then hook it up, then slide in by touching the pin here and then slide the light. It's very simple, easy. It's same way to the other side. Okay, we have the two lights set up on the wheelchair right now. Then we simply touch the yellow button here. Then you will see the lights on, and that allows us to use the remote control to have the right side signal, left side signal. Simply touch the right and left arrow on the remote control, or you simply can touch the button here. That's the warning signal, keep on flashing. I hope you find the remote control tail lights on both sides really simple and easy for you. It's suitable for all kinds of JBH models. Thank you very much for watching the video.